My favorite part of the Kia is this, the sun protector. My favorite part of the Kia is this, the wheel is on the back of your seat and the wheel was and the like little black stuff around here too. I like this lockable stuff. This thing, it opens, it closes.
My favorite part of the Kia is the cruise control. I can set the cruise control at a certain speed, and then I set how far of a distance I want it to maintain between me and the next car in front of us. So if I start coming up on us in our lane and the car in front of us is slower, the Kia adapts and slows down to keep the exact same distance, keeps us safe. At the same time, we also have the lane deterrence, or the lane detection. So if I start to leave my lane a little bit, it gives me a warning, so I know that I gotta straighten up, pay more attention. So it's really safe, and when we're on the highway, it's really nice to keep a little bubble in between you and the next car and make sure you're in your lane. I love it.
I like the panoramic sunroof. You guys can take a look up there. Isn't that pretty cool? I think I love it. You get to see the sun when it's... You can also open up the thing. The top of the panoramic roof.
Panoramic sunroof.
Panoramic sunroof. I like that at the back of the Kia, there's 2 more seats back there.
Since we live in upstate New York, one of my favorite things about this Kia Sorento is the heated steering wheel and the heated seats, because it's freezing and I am a baby in the cold. So the warmer I can be, the happier I am. I also really like the navigation system because even if I'm driving around town, I tend to use it a lot. You can just ask my husband. I have a very horrible sense of direction, and I drive to, for example, the airport several times a year, and I still use the navigation to get myself there. Another thing I really like about the Kia Sorento is that when you put it in reverse, it automatically lowers the radio to help you like concentrate and back up.
I want you guys to take one more look of the Santa Fe.
It's my jam, Ivy.
Show me what I love, tell me what it will like. Isn't it pretty cool, guys? Comment down below what your favorite part of this is. Oh, it's pretty bad. Oh, I got 7.
Together. Oh, my hands are cold. Okay, thank gosh for this heated steering wheel. My hands are freezing and now they're so super warm, it's so safe. Almost immediately it starts. I love it. You want to see if that blue song is on? No. What's this song? You like this one? You know what I like? Did you notice that, girls? When I put the car in reverse, the radio goes down so I can concentrate better. Isn't that kind of cool? The Kia automatically does that. It is pretty cool, isn't it? Now it's back up. See? You want the Kia, Lori? You want to keep it?
Yeah, let's put it in the...
You just want to buy it? I think Daddy would agree with you. I know. What? I know, and I love those sunshades that are on the windows back there for you, girl. You guys like those because it was super sunny the other day, and you could just put those up. That's nice. You don't have to stick anything to your window, right?
ready? Jump, jump. Jump, jump. Jump, jump. Jump, jump. Let's compare us to another bad little bad. I'm the max and I'm bad. Give you something that you never had.